how to do machine setup. So this is a model that I have been created. I leave a link in the description below for you to download this model. Go to your Solidcam tab, new, milling, choose external. Here is destination where you want to save your Solidcam project. I am using metric unit and click the green OK. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will use G milling 3x machine settings. Click Code Sys to set the coordinate. Imagine how you mount the material to device. I will use top center of the model for what we call as datum. So the part will be mounted like this. Click associate to face and click the top area of the part. Now rotate Y axis to 12 o'clock and X axis to 3 o'clock. Done. Click OK. I leave this setting to default and click OK. OK again. Solidcam will automatically set the target, and right now we set the stop. The target is automatically set by Solidcam. Click OK. I set the iMachining data as show. This is important for the feed rate calculations. Edit iMachining database. Actually, I am just using default setting, but right now I am just refreshing the settings as shown in this video. If we not done this, we will get error later. Now our setup is done. I will do milling operation in the next video. Thank you for watching.